This is the 7th or 8th glass screen protector my wife has gone through. These tempered glass screen protectors don't really work too well, but that's because when you drop them, it will break. This is my first time replacing a screen protector using one of these guards. I'm going to give it a try. Step 1 through 3 is pretty straightforward. Just clean the glass off.
How do you have to clean the glass off?
And then put this thing onto it. So I'm actually going to have to take the case off of the iPhone X. And it'll be going on like that as I put on the glass. So, first step will be removing the old glass, which is broken. Or if you don't even have a screen protector, it won't affect you. Okay, now that that's off, let's go ahead and wipe this off.
What is that?
This one gets it wet.
Bring me down. Bring me down. I want to see the video.
Well, don't move it, please. I have an assistant here, a 6-year-old assistant helping me. Or I
And
don't.
then I'm gonna see if you didn't do a mistake.
Thank you, my assistant.
I'm not your assistant.
So now I snap this on. Make sure it's clean again.
It's a snap bottom first.
Well, it looks pretty clean.
Now you have to put on the glass somehow.
So now I take the glass off. And according to these directions, remove and put it on from the top down. Remove the cover and put it from the top down. Take this out. Here's the top.
Free back.
So I'll peel it off like this. And then I just put this till it's at the very top. And then slide it on. It's a lot easier having one of these things.
What is that?
It's just a guide so I know how to put this on. And so that's it.
And then now you take that white thing off, and then you put back on the.
Take the white thing off. And then you clean off as much as you can.
What is feet? Why do it have peel back?
That's just all it says, to peel back. And then put it on. This top right part's not sticking too well, but
It's okay.
it's okay. Look at, as good as new. This is Beam tempered glass to see how long it lasts, and I'm still having to.
I hope it lasts very long, because if it didn't last very long, it would just break.
Okay, take it to your mom.
Can I have it?
I'm trying to turn it on. There. Okay. So installing this Beam tempered glass protector was very easy. This came as a set of 4 for $7.
I wish I could
There's
do
this.
that.
It took less than 3 minutes to do. was
Yeah.
a success.